Dear learners, hope you are fine. Today, once again, I am welcoming you to our English class. Today, we will study text from English first paper. That is our English for today. This class is from the syllabus of class 9 basically, and our lesson will be the lesson head, the greed of the mighty river. This is from unit 5, lesson 1. Okay, let's go through the text first. See, now we are going through the text. Meherjan lives in a slum on the Shirazganj town protection embankment. Her polythene roofed shelter looks like a cage. She is nearly 45 but looks more than her age. In front of her shelter, she is trying to make a fire to cook the day's only meal. Her weak hands tremble as she adds some fallen leaves and straw to the fire. The whispering wind from the river Jamuna makes the fire unsteady. The dancing flames remind Meherjan of the turmoil in her life. Not long ago, Meherjan had everything: a family, cultivable land, and cattle. The erosion of the Jamuna gradually consumed all her landed property. It finally claimed her only shelter during the last monsoon. It took the river only a day to devour Meher's house, trees, vegetable garden, and the bamboo bush. She had a happy family once. Over the years, she lost her husband and her family to diseases that cruel hunger and poverty brought to the family. Now she is the only one left to live on with the loss and the pain. The greedy Jamuna has shattered her dreams and happiness. See, now we'll get word note from the text. See, we'll note some words. Word note. Word note. That means we will be familiarized with unknown words. Number 1, slum. S-L-U-M, slum. Number 2, embankment. Embankment. Number 3, flames. F-L-A-M-E-S, flames. 4, turmoil. T-U-R-M-O-I-L, turmoil. Number 5, devour. D-E-V-O-U-R, devour. Okay, see the words. If we learn these words, it will facilitate our reading, facilitate our understanding of the text. Slum means, do you know what is slum? Slum is a shabby, S-H-A-B-B-Y, shabby heart. We can say that is pornokutir. বুঝতে পারছো? Shabby heart, জরাজীর্ণ ঘর, slum. Embankment means বাঁধ, যেটাকে আমরা বলতে পারি ড্যাম, ডিএম, ড্যাম। ড্যাম মানেও বাঁধ। তারপর দেখো ফ্লেমস। ফ্লেমস মানে হলো কি আগুনের শিখা, দ্যাট মিন্স visible part of fire. ভিজিবল পার্ট অফ ফায়ার মানে আমরা আগুনের যে অংশটুকু দেখি বা যেটা জ্বলে অগ্নিশিখা, দ্যাট ইজ কল্ড ফ্লেমস। টার্মোয়েল মিন্স ট্রাভেল, TROUVLE, travel, turmoil. Then devour means engulf, ENGULF, engulf মানে হলো গিলে ফেলা। বুঝতে পারছো? These are our word note. Before going through a text, we will note some words, or for the first time when we will go through the text, then we will take word note so that we can understand the text well. Now we will do some more work from this text, that is turmoil. Okay, see, this is our word note. Now we will do some question answer. Sorry, দেখো আমাদের ফার্স্ট কোশ্চেন হচ্ছে question answer QA. Number 1, why does Meherjan look? Does Meherjan look more than her age? More than her age. এই কোশ্চেনটা তোমরা বুঝতে পেরেছ? মানে মেহেরজানকে তার বয়সের তুলনায় বেশি বয়স্ক মনে হয়, মানে বুড়ো মনে হয় বয়সের তুলনায়। কারণ কি? হোয়াটস দ্য রিজন? Sorry, if we go through the text, we will get some information related to it, though there is no direct answer. এখানে কিন্তু আমরা কপি করার মতো কোনো লাইন পাবো না, বাট we understand what's the reason. রিজনটা কি? কে বলতে পারো? একটু মানে বানিয়ে লিখতে হবে, সাজিয়ে লিখতে হবে। বিকজ মেহেরজান is poverty stricken. Meherjan is poverty stricken. She is afflicted with disease. She has no food. She has no house. Now she is living in a miserable condition. So she looks more than her age. Clear? আমরা সহজ কথা বুঝতে পারি, মানুষ যখন অসুবিধায় থাকে, নানা রকম সমস্যার মধ্যে থাকে, স্বাভাবিক ক্রমে দ্য পারসন লুকস মোর দ্যান হিজ এজ, মানে বয়সের তুলনায় বেশি বয়স্ক মনে হয়। ক্লিয়ার? দিস ইজ জাস্ট ল্যাক অফ হ্যাপিনেস, ল্যাক অফ পিস। ঠিক আছে? এরপরে আসো নাম্বার 2 কোশ্চেন। Number 2, why is she trying what Is she trying to do? দেখো তো সে কি করতে চেষ্টা করছে। What is she trying to do? সে কি করতে চেষ্টা করতেছে? দেখো, in front of her shelter she's trying to make a fire to cook the day's only meal. This is the answer. In front of her shelter she's trying to make a fire to cook her day's only meal. Clear? Okay, then we are going to number 3. Why do Meherzan, how has greedy Jamuna? How has the greedy Jamuna? How has the greedy Jamuna shattered? Shattered. Shattered her dream. Understand the question? Shattered means ভেঙে চুরমার করে দেওয়া। Understand? Break into pieces. Shatter. How has the greedy Jamuna shattered her dreams? From our reading of the text, we can understand how the greedy river Jamuna has shattered her dreams. Can you answer? Okay, see the text. Once Meherzan had everything. But the greedy river Jamuna has devoured her land, her house, her vegetable garden, and everything, taking away everything from Meherzan. The greedy river shattered Meherzan's dream. Understand? You have to actually simplify the text. Always you will not get the answer, direct answer in the text to copy. At times you have to gather information from your text. Actually, what is the text about? তোমরা যখন টেক্সটটা পড়ে you will be able enough to gather the information put in the text, then you will be able to answer any types of question, and you have to learn how to simplify the text. বুঝতে পারছো? Then only you will be able to develop your reading skill and writing skill. যাই হোক, আমরা আমাদের টেক্সট পড়ে আমরা আমাদের টেক্সট অ্যানালাইসিসের মাধ্যমে we are developing our reading and writing skill. Reading skill means understanding the text, and writing skill means what we understand if we can express in written form, or we can be able to write our information on paper. That is our writing skill. Then that's all for now. Thank you all. Allah Hafiz.